Next question. What new design roles might emerge as AI evolves?
So what new design roles might emerge as AI evolves? So in my personal opinion, I don't think right now there will be necessarily new design roles that will emerge. However, the individual designer themselves will be expected to take a lot more control over all aspects of the delivery. So, for example, we used to rely on other teams to be making visualizations, videos, and these kind of things, and other high quality VR renderings. So we used to do our work and then maybe hand it off to another person to their skill set. But actually, now using AI, we can more collectively do these things ourselves. We don't have to heavily rely on another team. We can use AI to create those things for us. So actually, before we would make sketch, make data, and then that data would then be made into a video. But actually now you can cut out the data completely and just make a video based on your sketch or your idea. So actually those things that were outsourced before now can be done by yourself through the power of AI. So basically you have more complete control over your delivery to the final project delivery, basically. So, even as I said, even things like making rough proportion data based on your sketch can now be done using AI to 3D software. So basically, it's alleviating a lot of pressure off other departments that can be done easily now by the designer themselves. So basically, what used to be a multiple discipline process or multiple department process now can become a single designer's job. It leaves other departments to focus on their actual tasks at hand, for projects that are maybe already developing and not in that initial design phase. So it's more about initial control, and when that's been decided upon, then those departments can have more effect on the final output of the project. But initially, it's more up to the designer now.
That's a fantastic insight.